Stonebrooke Equipment is a commercial truck outfitter for Class 1 to 5 vehicles. So that could include anything from a compact van to a full-size van to a pickup up to a dually cab chassis truck. We work with a large range of customers, anything from a fleet manager that is caring for well over 1,000 vehicles to a small business owner who has a few vehicles in his fleet.
The company was started in 1970 by my father and mother. The snowplowing led into doing year-round maintenance. As we were out getting more and more contracts, there was things we needed to do that we didn't have. So you begin to innovate, and then you find out its shortcomings, and you begin to work with it and make it better and better. So you're actually the guy that's not only building it, but you're using it, you're finding the faults with it, and then you're making it better for the next time out. So it was a real natural for us when in 1998 we came to a decision as a family that contracting was not going to be the way forward for us. Then we were able to springboard straight into Stonebrooke Equipment, doing the truck equipment, which we had already been working with for all of those years.
We want to take a different approach so that we can be the leaders in the industry when it comes to putting efficient work vehicles together.
Our brand promise is listen, create, and over-deliver. We have clients that come to us with a need, and we have totally revolutionized their fleet by suggesting not only the outfit, but the actual vehicle in which they're driving today.
We pride ourselves in being innovation leaders. We have very creative technicians. At the very beginning of the process, we bring in an application specialist, one that has worked with these vehicles. They understand the vehicles. They've learned them, you might say, from the ground up. Every customer gets a layout for their project. They see it in reality. They see it in 3D before it actually happens.
My favorite customer service story is talking with the manager of a very large fleet. Normally, they would use the ship-through channels for getting their vehicles outfitted, and this time they chose to bring the vehicles to Stonebrooke Equipment. After we delivered all of the vehicles, he said the amount of money that saved our organization is uncalculable. He said normally I would be waiting for 10 weeks for these vehicles to move through upfitting after they're built. So I think that ties off of a customer service experience that really encapsulates our whole team here at Stonebrooke.
So at Stonebrooke, we strive to provide the best service. Not only our process from sales to operations or completion of the vehicle, but in our service department. They react fast to serve the customer's needs. We love solving problems. And I think that's really the basis of our success here at Stonebrooke.
Customers of Stonebrooke walk away with a more efficient solution. That might mean they gain fuel economy. That might mean that they were able to downsize their vehicle so that there is a smaller upfront acquisition cost.
Our goal at Stonebrooke is really to make every client feel like they're an only client.
We will take the time to get in the customer's shoes. We will analyze what they really need. We can give them a piece of equipment that's built for their needs to give them the best return on investment that they can have.
What inspires our whole team is the customer that gets the finished product from us and can see how it impacted their bottom line. And what customers experience when they go away is added value for money. And that's what you would experience if you give us the chance.